Awaken the alchemist in you. Alchemist is the one who can turn any opportunity into a golden opportunity. Do not succumb to your pain and painful signals, whether they are physical or emotional. Always find the brilliance in them. These pains have a message and a direction to change your ways. Perhaps the old ways caused you a lot of hurt and pains. Now it's time to change. Change the way you think and eventually change the way you live. You do not have to go through so much suffering and pain for your growth. If you have adverse beliefs related to pain, it's time to address them, overcome them, and rise beyond them. Not only that, make the best out of it. Take the message from your pain and move on and move forward. What is the brilliance? What is it that you need to learn from the pain? Radical teaches you that. I want you to learn Radical Spiritual Solution Curriculum. Start with level 1 and go deeper into the subconscious mind to have mastery over your pains and mastery over your life. Begin by decluttering your subconscious mind, challenging your beliefs which never worked for you, and reshaping your life in a way that makes sense to you as well as becomes rewarding enough for you. There is the alchemist alive in you, and make the best out of that. Learn to always focus on the brilliance. If you still have pain, and if the pain hasn't really vanished in these 3 days, it's time to now schedule an appointment and meet one of the radical practitioners. The link will be given below. Schedule an appointment and ease out your pain as soon as possible. Enjoy a pain free life because you deserve it.